Converting a Pandas GroupBy output from series to DataFrame. I'm starting with input data like this. Which when printed appears as this. Grouping is simple enough. And printing yields a GroupBy object. But what I want eventually is another DataFrame object that contains all the rows in the GroupBy object. In other words, I want to get the following result. I can't quite see how to accomplish this in the Pandas documentation. Any hints would be welcome.
G1 here is a data frame. It has a hierarchical index, though. Perhaps you want something like this. Or something like.
I want to slightly change the answer given by Wes, because version 0.16.2 requires as underscore index equals false. If you don't set it, you get an empty data frame. Source. Aggregation functions will not return the groups that you are aggregating over if they are named columns, when as underscore index equals true, the default. The group columns will be the indices of the returned object. Passing as underscore index equals false will return the groups that you are aggregating over, if they are named columns. Aggregating functions are ones that reduce the dimension of the returned objects, for example, mean, sum, size, count, std, var, sem, describe, first, last, nth, min, max. This is what happens when you do, for example, dataframe.sum and get back a series.nth can act as a reducer or a filter, see here. Edit. In version 0.17.1 and later you can use subset and count and reset underscore index with parameter name and size. The difference between count and size is that size counts NaN values while count does not.
The key is to use the reset underscore index method. Use. Now you have your new data frame in G1.
Simply, this should do the task. Here, grouped_df.size pulls up the unique GroupBy count, and reset underscore index method resets the name of the column you want it to be. Finally, the Pandas DataFrame function is called upon to create a DataFrame object.
Maybe I misunderstand the question, but if you want to convert the GroupBy back to a data frame you can use to_frame. I wanted to reset the index when I did this, so I included that part as well. Example code unrelated to question.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.